Okay, let's tackle it section by section. The first part, part A, we're going to do hands together. Here's middle C. So it starts on A flat, E flat, A flat, C, then E flat and B flat together, then B, the sound's going to come down, E flat, D flat, and then F and C, C, F, E flat, F. Okay, and then the next bit is A flat, E flat, A flat, C, B flat, and then B flat, E flat, E flat, D flat. Try and get your second finger on this C here, and then F in the left hand, C, F, A flat, C, A flat, play the F again with the left hand, F, A flat. And I'm going to do right hand notes, then right hand rhythm, and then left hand notes, and left hand rhythm. Okay, so section B right hand notes are C and A flat, A flat, A flat, B flat, C, G and E flat, B flat, A and C, A flat and C, A flat, C, F and C, A flat, E flat, C, A flat and C, A flat, G, G, A flat, A flat, A flat, B flat, C, G and E flat, F, A flat and C, A flat, B flat, C, F and C, A flat, E flat, A flat, C, A flat and C, B flat, A flat, C, B flat, A flat and D flat. So section B, rhythm. Oh, let's give it a nice voice. There we go.
2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2.
And notes of the B section are, so here's C, so low A flat, A flat, E flat, A flat, E flat, G, B flat, E flat, F, C, G, D flat, D flat, A flat, A flat, E flat, E flat, B flat, E flat, A flat, sorry, A flat, E flat, A flat, E flat, E flat, B flat, E flat, F, C, G, C, A flat, D flat, A flat, D flat, A flat, E flat, A flat, E flat, E flat, E flat, E flat. So that's section B. Now with the rhythm.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3,
So section C notes, right hand. A flat, C, A flat, C, F, octaves, sorry. A flat, F, E flat, A flat, A flat, B flat and E. C, D flat, C, C, B flat, A flat and B flat, G and B flat. With the rhythm.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2.
Section C, left hand notes. F, C, G, E, A flat, D flat, A flat, D flat, D flat, C, E flat. With the rhythm.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
I'm going to play it hands together as well now.
3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1.
A flat, C and A flat, E flat, E flat, E flat, C, C, B flat, G, G, G and E flat, E flat, E flat and G, E flat, G, A flat, F, B flat, C, D flat and F, E flat, F, A flat, F and B flat, C, F, E flat, F, B flat, E flat and F, C and A flat, E flat, E flat, E flat, C, 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 B flat, A flat, E flat and G, F, E flat and G, F, E flat and G, F, G, A flat, F and B flat, C, D flat and F, E flat, F, A flat, F and B flat, C, F, E flat, F, E flat, F and B flat. With the rhythm, section D, rhythm, right hand.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3.
Next is section D, notes, right, left hand, A flat, E flat, A flat, E flat, E flat, B flat, E flat, B flat, B flat, F, B flat, F, C, F, D flat, A flat, D flat, D flat, A flat, A flat, E flat, A flat, E flat, E flat, B flat, E flat, B flat, B flat, F, B flat, F, C, F, D flat, A flat, D flat, A flat, D flat, D flat. With the rhythm.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2.
And then repeat.
3, 4.
Both hands with the rhythm.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3.
Section E notes. So A flat, A flat, A flat, B flat, C, A flat and E flat, A flat and C, B flat, A flat and C, B flat, A flat, B flat, C, A flat and E flat, G and C, B flat, G and C, B flat, A flat, B flat, C, A flat, B flat and E flat, A flat and C, B flat, A flat, F. This is the first time bar, so we're going to repeat it. A flat, F and B flat, okay? And then you repeat. For the second time, you go to E flat and F, and then A flat, F and B flat, and then A flat, F and D flat. Okay, the rhythm.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
But with the second time bar, it's
2, 3, 4.
sorry.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3.
And then you go to section D, but up an octave.
4. 1, 2, 3. 4.
Okay, right.
1, 2, 3.
Section E, notes, left hand. A flat, E flat, A flat, E flat, A flat, A flat, E flat, E flat, E flat, E flat, F, C, F, C, F, E flat, D flat, A flat, D flat, A flat, D flat, and then it repeats. But then that was the first time bar I've just played. The second time bar is D flat, A flat, D flat, A flat, D flat, A flat, F. With the rhythm.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
I'll do the repeat.
3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3,
Here's the
4.
second time bar.
2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
And then you go back to D.
2.
Section F, right hand notes. C, A flat and C, A flat and C, C and A flat. Section F, right hand with the rhythm.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1.
Okay, so the F section is just A flat, E flat, B flat, C, and then A flat. So I'll do it with the right hand as well.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1.
And I think that's it.